Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video I want to show you how to remove a battery from 2002 and through 2006 type of Sprinter. So I'm gonna get a battery from it. It's a huge benefit having so many Sprinters. Basically I have my own parts department. Okay. This is should be a good battery like this one. I'm wondering now, what did I install inside of my Chrysler? I might have installed like a brand new battery, because I thought that wasn't here. This might be actually a little bit older. I'm gonna try to guide this positive cable to be out of my way. I wonder how old this battery is. It's obviously old. 2015. Can you believe this? This battery was sitting dead for a while. Seriously. I revived this one and it started to be working, but I was actually told this was no good. You can see clearly 715. You see? It's got me 2020 right now in about a month. So I really don't expect much from this one, to be honest, even though it never gave me starting issues, never. It always works. Not having this good handle here does not help me, but oh well, what can I do? I really did not have much time today, guys. It was a busy day, but I still wanted to get out here and try to get this thing started. But I think we did get some good news. It pretty much started and shut off on me. But I was gonna replace the fuel line, but apparently I don't have enough time. But there is no pressure in that fuel line. It's just gonna be making a big mess as you're gonna be driving. So it shouldn't prevent me from keeping things running. I mean, it should just be spewing fuel from the top. By the way, guys, this bolt was too low. So if yours is a little short stubby, that's how mine was, you'll really need to lift it up. And that's what I did to this one. So now we're gonna be getting good connection, better than before. Okay, so now it shouldn't be slipping out from me anymore. So things are good and tight now. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video from this battery removal and installation. Please hit a like and please come back for more videos like this by subscribing and hitting the bell notification. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter Expediter business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.